I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I get out of bed at 6. I get out of bed at 6. I brush my teeth first. I brush my teeth first. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower in the morning. I take a shower in the morning. I get dressed quickly. I get dressed quickly. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I drink tea in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. I check my phone. I check my phone. I leave home on time. I leave home on time. I go to work daily. I go to work daily. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I walk to the office. I walk to the office. I reach work at 9. I reach work at 9. I start my work early. I start my work early. I work on my computer. I work on my computer. I take a short break. I take a short break. I talk to my coworkers. I talk to my coworkers. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I drink water often. I drink water often. I finish work in the evening. I finish work in the evening. I come back home tired. I come back home tired. I take some rest. I take some rest. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I help my family at home. I help my family at home. I clean my room. I clean my room. I arrange my things. I arrange my things. I cook dinner sometimes. I cook dinner sometimes. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I arrange 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 my family. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I watch TV at night. I watch TV at night. I listen to music. I listen to music. I check social media. I check social media. I read a book. I read a book. I practice English daily. I practice English daily. I learn new words. I learn new words. I repeat sentences aloud. I repeat sentences aloud. Practice helps me improve. Practice helps me improve. I feel relaxed at home. I feel relaxed at home. My home is comfortable. My home is comfortable. My room is clean. My room is clean. I like my bed. I like my bed. I open the window. I open the window. Fresh air feels good. Fresh air feels good. I turn on the fan. I turn on the fan. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I lock the door. I lock the door. I prepare for tomorrow. I prepare for tomorrow. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. I sleep well at night. I sleep well at night. I wake up fresh. I wake up fresh. I feel energetic today. I feel energetic today. I follow a routine. I follow a routine. Routine makes life easy. Routine makes life easy. I manage my time well. I manage my time well. I plan my day. I plan my day. I complete my tasks. I complete my tasks. I feel satisfied today. I feel satisfied today. I enjoy simple life. I enjoy simple life. Home is peaceful. Home is peaceful. I feel safe at home. I feel safe at home. I relax with my family. I relax with my family. I talk with my parents. I talk with my parents. I play with children. I play with children. I smile a lot at home. I smile a lot at home. Home makes me happy. Home makes me happy. I like quiet time. I like quiet time. I avoid noise. I avoid noise. I drink warm water. I drink warm water. I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. I take care of myself. I take care of myself. Health is important. Health is important. I sleep on time. I sleep on time. Good sleep matters. Good sleep matters. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is a new day. I am ready for tomorrow. I am ready for tomorrow. I feel positive. I feel positive. I feel calm. I feel calm. I am learning daily. I am learning daily. I am improving slowly. I am improving slowly. Small steps matter. Small steps matter. I stay consistent. I stay consistent. Consistency brings results. Consistency brings results. I trust the process. I trust the process. I am confident now. I am confident now. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. English helps me communicate. English helps me communicate. I speak English daily. I speak English daily. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I try again tomorrow. I try again tomorrow. I never give up. I never give up. Learning takes time. Learning takes time. I am patient. I am patient. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am doing my best. I am doing my best. Thank you for practicing. Thank you for practicing. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode.